Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a little bit of a haul to share with you guys. I have some diamond paintings and diamond painting 3D items that I purchased from FGNormal. These I picked out and paid for myself. I just felt like I wanted to buy some things that I saw on there that I really liked. So I ordered this April 24th and it was received just a couple of days ago. Today's May 13th, so I want to say maybe like May 10th. I've been hanging on to it. I did open them all up and check just to make sure everything was there. So they came in like the gray garbage bag, shipping bags type thing, but they're all obviously in their bubble mailers. There's one that wasn't, but no issues. So let me go in. We'll save these for last, but let's share with you guys the diamond paintings that I picked out. This one didn't get put back in properly. So the first one, here is the kit, just regular, one piece of wax, a tray, and a pen. And as you can see from the drills, this is a crystal, full crystal. So they do have a section now for full crystal. So if you click on that, you can check out all of the images that they do carry with full crystal drills. And I will link everything down below if it's still available. But this one is super cute. It is this spunky little owl. Here is a close-up of the image. He's got a feather. What's that called? Can't remember what it's called. Brain cells are gone. He looks like he's dressed up like Little Indian, I would say. He's got like a feather headdress on, and there is a necklace there too. So super cute. 14 colors. The legend on both sides, very, very clear. I don't think you'd even need a light pad for this. There's no issues with the colors kind of melting in together. And you can see that the glue is super glossy, nice and thick. So that one is going to be adorable. And it is all letters, no symbols. Give you guys a close up there. There's going to be no issues at all. I wouldn't even need a light pad. So let's quickly show you guys the drills. Here's the first one. It's a really pretty purple. And there's a light pink. This one is a yellow gold. Number 3 and number 4. They are both yellow, but they're just slightly different. I believe this one's a little bit darker. And then we have kind of like a smoky purple, a black. There's some orangey red. This one's more coral color. This one's definitely more red. And then we have like a smoky blue. And this one is kind of a brown. There's 2 of those. They're the same. Green, orange, and clear. So that one's going to be really cute. I love that it is all crystal. It's going to make a very nice image. This one here, I believe, is also full crystal, and I have purchased this one before. So I do have this one in my stash, but I wanted to have a second one to give away. So Never Stop Dreaming with the heart, and it's just like a really pretty water sunset in the background. 19 colors. It's all symbols and letters. 2 legends. It is nice and clear, super, super glossy glue there, and a sparkly canvas. I don't think there's going to be any issues. Definitely in the light colors, and the darker ones you might want a light pad to see them, but in your lighter colors, there's no issues. It's just a lot of symbols, which sometimes can be hard to differentiate when you're looking at them for a while and your eyes get tired. Yeah. hair in there. Start at the beginning here. Some really pretty colors. This one has the solid resin black, which is cool. There's like a purple, a really deep purple, violet, and then we have a peach, blue. That is a really pretty blue. Very light pink, smoke, champagne, with a salmon, and then light salmon, and even lighter pink. There's our crystal clear of like a rust, a peach. Oh, it's hard to see because it's full. Oh, and this is like a really, really deep purple. That one's really pretty. And then this one is like a light gray. There's some stragglers in there, but it's a really, really light smoky gray. So another great image, really, really pretty colors. I just wanted to have an extra one of these because the image and the sentiment itself are really, really great. Roll that one back up. All right, and then these two, this one is also in a plastic bag. This one, I've seen a lot of people buy this one, and I really, really love the colors and the image. It's super, super pretty. It's a vintage girl. Oh, toolkit fell out there. There's our toolkit. Has an extra piece of wax in it. Very, very pretty image. Super bright. Absolutely love it. This one has 22 colors. There's DMC codes. It does have the legend on both sides there, just at the top. And she is so awesome. In her glasses it says wow. She has little hearts on there. Even nail polish. So cool. Let me see. Again, nice glossy glue. Super sparkly canvas. And very, very clear image on the canvas. So no issues there. Even the D's on the white D's on the black are really crisp and clean. So there's no concerns. It's all letters and numbers, no symbols. I think I prefer that just with my eyes. And this one is a 40 by 40. Broke my little measuring tape, so I have this one now. So it is 35 by 35. So good size. And then our drills. Don't like when those come off. Again, super bright colors. This one is going to be so pretty. All right, we have like a dark gray, fuchsia. There's the bright yellow. Here are the skin tones. All three are the same color. And then we have three of the orange, brown, salmon, brown. It's like a burgundy violet, beige. This one is navy blue. Look at that green and the pink. Another turquoise, pink, and kind of a brown. So that one's gonna be awesome. Love it. And the last one is also a 40 by 40. This one I have not purchased any like this. It is a round image on a square canvas. There's our toolkit. Now this one is also 40 by 40. And it's slightly smaller though. It is about 33.5 by 34. But it is so cool. I love the image. I love koi fish. And these ones are so cute with the lily pads and the lilies. And I just thought it would be really interesting. I'd like to see if I can get a wooden plaque that is the same size to put this on when it's done so it can go up on the wall. So everything looks really good. The white letters look nice and clear. There's 22 colors, DMC codes. We do have 2 legends, one on either side, and it is all alphabets. You can see the glue does come out a little bit, probably because it couldn't make a perfect circle, I would say, when they're placing the glue on there, but everything is really nice, clear, and this one should work up really fast too. So the drills, definitely some muted colors, but we've got some nice bright ones here. There's a yellow, a coral, and a white. That's going to be really pretty. There's some browns. This green is really pretty. More greens. There's the blue. And then we have our orange colors. Some beige, gray, another green, grays. Number 2 is 310, that's black. Another green. So this one's gonna be really nice. Very excited. Now, the last ones that I have to share with you are the disappointments for me. These are some 3D projects that I picked out. I thought they would be super awesome. They were a bit pricey, but I was thinking it would be, I think they'd turn out really great. And they're nice little collector's items for me to display in my craft room. They're Hello Kitty. This one was $19.99 and this one was $16.99. That's Canadian. In pounds, it's $10.99 and $9.99 because FGNormal, that's their base currency is pounds. So let me show you. Obviously, these are special drill. Oh, and I have adhesive on my desk. This one is the Hello Kitty face shaped tin, and I'll open it up. You can see what it comes with. I can only hope that this is enough to complete the project. I really don't know because I don't know if they can tell. You get the round tray, a tiny piece of wax, and a pen. That's fine. There's a bag of multi sizes of the pink, one size of yellow, solid black, multi in the clear, and this one is multi in the solid white. Now, normally I'd be super excited, but basically they took Hello Kitty tins and put adhesive on them. So you have to decide where you're placing your drills. There is no spot, no indication of where you need to place it. The adhesive is not all the way down on the tin because it's a raised image on the tin. So I'm gonna have to get my X-Acto knife and cut around and push down so that the adhesive will stick to the tin and not have these air pockets underneath. But as you can see, I have to decide where to place. So I can only hope that I'm not going to cause a million gaps and have adhesive sticking out everywhere. it's really kind of upsetting because all of these projects, 3D projects like this, they come with the spots where you place your adhesive. And again, or sorry, where you place your drill, and you know what shape, what size of drill to place where. And again, on the side, all they did was put a strip of adhesive. So I have to hope that this is enough drills that's going to cover this entire strip, and I'm going to put them on the right spot so that there's not going to be any gaps. It's frustrating. It is very, very upsetting because the picture shows them perfect, and you would assume that then it is done that way, and you're going to come out with a quality project when you're done. But I don't know. I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I don't really want to start it right now, but when I do, I will come back and share with you guys how it works out. Here's the second one, and obviously, like, I paid a lot of money for these. Like, I could have bought a Hello Kitty tin for $5 and stuck my own adhesive on it, but I didn't, because I thought this was a true diamond painting kit. So again, this one is the entire body of Hello Kitty, and it is a raised tin, so you can already see the air bubbles. So I'm gonna have to get out an X-Acto knife and put little cuts in the adhesive so that I can push it down. And this one looks like the drills are all, there's a pen, piece of wax, the round tray, and this one we have tiny bit of yellow, probably about the same amount of white, and some red, black, and it's a bigger bag, but if you make it the same size, it's actually not really a bigger bag of the pink. And again, this has to go all the way around this entire tin and around the edges of the top. Yeah, so this amount of red is supposed to cover her bow and her outfit. I don't think that that's going to cover that much. See my frustration. Yeah, so not too happy about that. Definitely don't recommend it if you are not adventurous and want to give it a try yourself. I do not recommend that, because to figure out where to place all of these so that you have enough and that it looks good and there's no gaps, it's going to be a little difficult. I will link them down below though if they're still there, so you guys can see the photos of what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, that is it. Those are my purchases from FGNormal. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.